Hello again. So, after creating your first ESXi and complete the installation of that ESXi, you need to create the second ESXi host. So, now we'll create the complete lab that we need in this laptop. So, this machine, we don't need it, so we chose delete from disk. If you chose delete from disk, you will back right here, you'll find that it's deleted. For example, this one, if you chose remove from library, it will delete it from the library, but it will stay right here. You will see here that Windows 7 64 test still available. You need to delete it from here if you want to get some free space. Then Win test, the same one, deleted, it's deleted. So now we have the ESXi1. So the same thing, we're going to create another ESXi with the same step. Now we're going to do it a little faster. So we click create new virtual machine. We chose the ISO image if you have the ISO image directly. Then next, then we chose the name ESXi number 2. This is the number 2, for example. Next, we chose the recommended size. Next, then we don't need to change any of the setting because this is the recommended setting. Of course, you can upgrade the memory or the hard drive or the CPU. It's in your choice and the hardware available in your machine. Then you click finish. Then the installation will start. Of course, we need to stop the installation. So we click shutdown guest like that. Then we back right here. So we have ESXi1 and ESXi2. If we click any of them, you will see a little detail about it. This is powered off. This is the operating system is VMware ESXi 6.5 and later the version of the VM Workstation 14. Then the RAM 6 GB. This one have 4 GB. So the same, we create a new virtual machine. Now we'll need to choose the Windows Server, or in another case, as I tell you, we can choose Windows Server and then install the vCenter inside it. You can see all this detail in my file training course about VMware 6.5. Or you can install the vCenter Server with the appliance. For that, I already have the vCenter Server appliance, this one. You can choose vCenter Server appliance. We click open. Could not detect which operating system is in the disk image. Of course, this one you need to unzip it because this one have a already pre-configured virtual machine inside it. Like that. If we back to the vCenter Server appliance, we'll find some folder, and here vCenter Server appliance we have a VMware VCenter Server appliance OVA. That means we have already a virtual machine pre-configured. You need to unzip this one from this ISO image, and then it will automatically upload it inside this one. But here, let's choose to install the operating system later. Next, then we chose Microsoft. In this case, we need to install the Windows Server 2012 or 2016. It's in relation about the ISO image that you chose. Next, then we chose Windows Server 2012. For example, this one will use it to install the vCenter server like that. Next, it automatically give it 16 GB. Next, and here it give it automatically 2 GB. And this is an important step right here. If you remember, to install the vCenter server inside a virtual machine, you will need at least 8 GB of RAM. So you need to back right here. You chose RAM and then you chose 8 GB. But this is the minimum for installing a vCenter server inside this machine. But I always recommend it to give it more than 8, for example 10 or 12 GB, so the installation will go faster. Then the management of the vCenter server when you power on to start your lab will go faster, etc. Everything will be faster and the work will be faster. If you chose the minimum, the 8 GB, it will work, but it will be a little slow. Sometimes the installation will take more time to complete the installation, etc. So the recommendation from me is to give it about the 12 or 16 gigabytes or any size more than 8 gigabytes, complete the installation, then back to 8 gigabyte to work with the vCenter, because the installation will be too long with 8 gigabytes. So as this is just to show you how to create your lab, we're going to choose 8 gigabyte. The recommended also is to give it more than one CPU, more than one processor core, for example 2 or 4 to work faster. So let's give it for example 3, but the minimum is 2. Then other option is as the same. We click close, we click finish, and the virtual machine Windows Server VCenter Server. So here you need to click manage and virtual setting. Then you need to go to the SATA, and here you choose the ISO image of the Windows ISO image. I don't have an ISO image for now, so you simply choose the ISO image of the Windows Server 2012 or 2016, then power on the virtual machine and start the installation of the Windows and complete the installation. Then you can start installing the vCenter server inside this virtual machine, and everything you can follow it through a file section in my other VMware 6.5 course. So see you in the next video.